Hey guys, Chef Jason for my friends at the Colorado Beef Council, and I'll tell you what, we are making an amazing video today. We're going to do some ancho beef street tacos, but we're also doing pineapple salsa. We have a jalapeno crema, and I have a pro-level tip today to add a little more protein to one amazing dish. Now, grilling season and Taco Tuesday collaborated on this beautiful, beautiful dish today, and we're going to walk you through how to make it, because I'll tell you what, street tacos are king, and we want to help you be the king or the queen of your backyard. As we dig in and talk ingredients today, boy, this is flavor filled for sure. Starting with those beautiful top sirloin steaks, ending up with those amazing tacos. And then in between there, we're going to show you how to make that jalapeno crema. We're going to show you how to do the pineapple salsa and get everything set. And then at the end, we're going to show you how to build them to make some epic street tacos. We've got our top sirloin steaks here now. I want to give them a seasoning before they go on the grill. Right, I am doing this a little bit different, this recipe, because there's so much versatility in this. I'm doing a little collab, right? Taco Tuesday and grill season. So I'm going to go ahead and just lightly season these, let these rest on my board while the grill fires up and gets up to temperature. And then we'll head out to the grill and get everything started and get ready to go. Okay, we've got the grill preheated. Time to get our steaks on, and we're going to go ahead now and cook these on both sides to our preferred doneness, right, or our desired doneness. I'll put a couple different temperature ranges on the screen for you, but cook these to your desired doneness. Keep in mind, we're going to need to dice these when they're done and get them onto our tacos. So steaks are on. Cook to your desired doneness, and we will see you back here in a few minutes when it's time to flip these and finish them off. Okay, we've already added our avocados to the bowl. Now we're gonna add our jalapenos. We dice those. You can leave the seeds in or out, however you want. We'll add our fresh lime juice, sour cream, and the protein tip of the day. That's right, Greek yogurt. So add a little Greek yogurt to boost your protein. And now it is time to put the cover on and to puree this and get everything ready to make one amazing jalapeno crema. All right, time to get in there, and look at that. Pineapples, nicely grilled. That's exactly what we're looking for. We started off by grilling our pineapple to get that beautiful, delicious flavor. Now we added the pineapple to the bowl. We'll add our Roma tomatoes, those red onions, a little bit of a cilantro, some fresh lime juice, which is amazing and delicious. And then add your favorite seasoning. So I've got just kind of a all-purpose seasoning here that works great in there. And you can always add just a touch of salt too, and that will make everything tasty and delicious. Now, last thing left to do is just mix it up. And guess what? Salsa's done. We flip those steaks, cook them on the second side. They are done. We check them with our temperature probe, and they are right at that perfect medium temperature. And I'll post on the screen what that temperature is. We're now going to get these off here. We're going to head into the kitchen, let these rest for just a little bit. Time to slice. Time to make some tacos. All right, beef is rested. Now it is time to get this diced into some nice bite-sized pieces for our tacos, just like that. All right, we got the beef diced. It is in the bowl. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil, right? Now it's time to add that ancho powder and then a little bit of salt. Now, be careful, because if you already seasoned it with your favorite rub, you want to make sure it's not too salty. Now, time to mix it up, and guess what? Beef is done. Pineapple salsa's done. Crema's done. Next up, taco time. We've got the corn tortillas loaded in. Time to go ahead and add some beef. Oh, it smells delicious too. And then nice Ancho Chile essence going on there. Love that. So the beef is on. Now what I like to do is let's go ahead and hit it with some of that jalapeno avocado crema, just like that. And then we will top it with that beautiful pineapple salsa. Boy, I'll tell you what, Taco Tuesday got a little protein addition to it. And this is going to be absolutely legendary for sure. Well, there you have it. It's Taco Tuesday, and grilling season came together for this amazing, beautiful collaboration. That's right, those Ancho Chile beef street tacos with that pineapple salsa, that avocado jalapeno crema, and we kicked up the protein with some of that Greek yogurt as well. Definitely going to help you with that backyard grilling domination. That is for sure. Now, if you're looking for more recipes and videos, tips, all the cool things you need to know about Colorado beef, be sure to visit my friends at the Colorado Beef Council at cobeef.com. That's cobeef.com. For your friends at the Colorado Beef Council, I'm Chef Jason. It's time to devour. It is Taco Thursday, Wednesday. What day is it anyways? I don't know. It's time to eat tacos.